Will YHC be heading all the way upwards to the $5 levels in the upcoming week, or is this a ticker which you should be staying away from? What's up, trend friends? Welcome back to an OBS non-biased price prediction video. Today, we're discussing YHC and whether it's your ticker heading from here on out. With that said, today's video is going to have three main segments: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a catalyst breakdown, going over the news causing the ticker to run in the after hours on Friday. Then the what, we're going to be doing a stock analysis, going over the stock's health. Then the where, we're going to be doing a chart analysis, telling you guys where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, let's get breaking down the why, as this is a ticker which has already gone insane. I mean, when you look at it, it's currently up over a whopping freaking almost 50%, right? 47% in total of Friday and Friday after hours combined. Even though in the Friday after hours, it did reach all the way upwards of the $3.70 levels, which would put it approximately over, closer to the 90% range, right? Which is pretty crazy, right? So let's get breaking down exactly what's happening here. So when it comes to YHC, what happened over here, right? Did they cure cancer? Did they get a new massive customer? What the heck is going on? So when it comes to this company, this is the news, right? This is the news. This is the big news. The big news, the massive news that the stock's running on is this. Liquor House announces strategic marketing cooperation with Montauk Distilling Co. for cinnamon flavored rum. Yes, yes, yes. This is it, guys. This is it. I mean, look, listen, this cinnamon rum is the thing that's going to, propel the stock, I think, back to the $50 levels. I think so. You know what, guys? I don't think, you're right. You know what? The company's market cap right now is 2.7 million. You're right. This new liquor they got, this new rum that they have, you're right to say that it should add $700K to the company's evaluations. Yes, correct. You're right. You're right. You're correct. Congratulations. No, you're not correct. No, you're not. It's nothing. It's a nothing burger ass news. But guess what? The company has a $2.5 million market cap. So anything can make it go up. But here's the thing about volatility, is that the volatility is a double-edged sword. Just as fast as these stocks go up based off of no reason, just as fast they come down. Because they were up for no reason. Because they got a bunch of people who are buying the stock just because it's going up. And this is the biggest misconception I see between new traders, right? They think just because the ticker is going up, it's going to continue going up. No. You need to know the why. You need to know why this stock is currently up 70%, 80%, 100%, 200%. Because if the reason is that people are just buying it because it's going up, guess what those same people are going to do when the stock is dipping a little bit and it's on its way down? Are they going to add more? Remember, they bought because it was going up. What are they going to do when it starts dipping? They're going to sell. They're going to panic sell. They're going to throw their shares out the window. They're scared. They're greedy to the upside, a little bit of downside, they're scared to the downside. So this is why you can't just buy something because it's going up and anticipate, well, if it's going up, it's going to continue going up. No. Okay? No. All right, good. So there's volatility. Now, let's talk about the health of the stock, right? And when we anticipate the health of the stock, really what we're looking for is going to be anticipating dilution, right? Anticipating any sort of offering that the company may have, because this is every trader's worst nightmare, right? A public offering, a direct offering, any sort of dilution which goes ahead and messes with the company's, the company's supply. This is the worst. That's how you wake up the next morning and your stock is down 50%, 60%, 70%. Why? Because the company announced dilution, okay? So let's go ahead. The number one thing which helps us anticipate whether or not a company is going to dilute or not is going to be their motivations to dilute. And what's the biggest motivation of all time? Money. Okay, so let's go over and look at the money. So the company has a cash and cash equivalents of $7.6 million here. I'm going to exit this so you guys can see it better. Their total operating expenses every quarter, every 3 months, is sitting at $6.62 million. And their month's worth of cash left is sitting at 3.4 months. So they got about 3 months of cash left to cover their operating expenses, their overhead. So they need money. They're also poor. Amazing. Bad. Okay? Now, the next thing which is going to help us anticipate whether or not the company is going to have dilution or not is going to be historically, has this company diluted a lot or not? Oh, look, historically, they love ripping off their traders and investors. And then we're going to look at the probability of them being able to do it right now. Oh, look, their overhead supply is also big. Look at this big-ass overhead supply. Amazing. So guess what? Likelihood of dilution, very high. Again, this is all allegedly, don't sue me, Liquor House. Not that you could, but It's not financial advice, guys. Remember, at the end of the day, I'm just telling you what I think, and allegedly, I think they're going to go ahead and dilute. Institutional ownership sitting at 2.7%. Dog shit. Short interest. Let's see what they've been up to. Relatively flat. Relatively flat. But shorts is okay. Now let's talk about the chart. When it comes to the chart, this is probably one of the... I mean, look, the thing is, like I said, right? When it comes to the volatility aspect of things, this is one of those companies that once it gets going, there's no holding it back. And I always tell you guys how to play these tickers. The way you want to play these tickers is you want to have a solid average. So when it gives us a random ass pump like this, you're able to sell for greens. You don't want to be stuck in this company, man. You do not want to be stuck holding these shares. So for me, I would wake up tomorrow morning on Monday. If it gets above, like, you know, this 320, 330-ish, I would just close out my position and I would never look back again. Because for me, LQR is way too risky of a play. And personally, guys, I am a conservative trader. And the problem is, a lot of traders who are in the red, they think the thing that's going to get them back in the green and the thing that's going to help them recover their portfolio is going to be more risk. Because they believe that they're going to, and there's a fallacy in thinking, right? There's a fallacy on an argument. They think that they're going to make back their money the same way they lost it, which is through speed. You're not going to make back your money the same way you lost it. By speed. By force. No, 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 no. You're going to make back your money slowly through precision. That's how you're going to get back your money. That's how you're going to get back your money. So instead of using your whole portfolio and trying to double it to make back the 50% loss that you took on your last trade, relax. Take it slow. And this is another thing that comes into trading, right? Would you rather, a lot of you guys don't understand that you would rather recover all your money and become a profitable trader who's consistently making money every single month in a year from now than try to recoup all your losses within the next month and instead dig yourself even a bigger hole. That's the reality of the matter with a lot of you guys. You don't understand that, hey, would I rather have a 100% chance of making back my money and even making profits on top of it in a year from now if I take this slow? Or would I rather take a 20% chance of doubling my money right now, next month, making my money back, and then if I continue, I'll probably lose it all again anyways because I took too much risk. Take it slow. Take it slow. This play is too freaking crazy, okay? And, you know, listen, I'm not always right? But I am a conservative trader, okay? I have an 82% win rate. I don't lose that much, right? July, no red days yet. June, only 1 red day. May, only 3 red days. April, no red days. You know, I have a 50%, I have an 82% win rate. Let me refresh this. I have an 82% win rate, and this is like 500 trades later. 500 trades later, I have an 82% win rate. So clearly, like, you know, something's going right here. I've been doing something right? So it doesn't mean that I'm the best ever. It doesn't mean that, but I know a thing or two about trading. Now, listen, if you guys want to trade with me every single day, right? Get lessons from me, get one-on-one access from me, get coaching from me, all this and more, right? Swing alerts, day trade alerts, option alerts, you name it, we got it. Check out Top Trade Academy, guys. Top Trade Academy, we offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money-back guarantee, so you guys can check it out and see if you want to stick around or not. And what I would do is I would give it a shot, see if I make money. If I make money, I'll stick around and come back for more. If I don't, I'll pack it up. Wilson made 7K in 7 days. He's like, let's go. I'm like, bro, you can make the for the next decade, right? And, you know, my man Chip is saying before Top Trade got negative, just give it a shot. 7-day free trial, 7 days free trial, 30 days money back guarantee. If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave and never ever come back again. That's personally what I would do, okay? That's personally what I would do, but you guys can do whatever you like. And remember, I would never suggest you guys do something that I wouldn't do. Whether it's a stock that I'm saying buy or, you know, it's a different thing, I would never suggest you guys do something that I wouldn't do. But for me, giving Top Trade Academy is a really smart choice because we have day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, one-on-one access, lessons, you know, different gurus depending on what you're looking for. Amazing stuff. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Oh, one more thing. Right now as well, we have a big sale on the website. Check it out. The sale is exclusive only to the next 10 members. So check it out. There's less than that. There's about 7 spots left. I added 10 more spots. 3 sold out immediately. There's about 7 spots left. So check it out. The sale's on the website. You don't want to miss it. Thank you. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.